Which Wi-Fi mesh system is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, TP-Link Deco 7. First up is the TP-Link Deco 7, which caught my attention with its top-of-the-line capabilities and a price tag of $219.99. If you want seamless coverage for your entire home without the hassle of dead zones, this is worth a serious look. This means you can stream 4K and 8K content without buffering, which is vital if you're into gaming or streaming. Plus, it covers up to 6,600 square feet, making it perfect for larger homes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can connect over 150 devices without breaking a sweat, from gaming consoles to smart TVs. And with advanced AI-driven roaming, your connection stays stable as you move around your house. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get through that, the Deco app makes managing your network a breeze. So if you're someone who isn't tech-savvy, it might be a bit frustrating at first, but the long-term benefits are totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a large home and multiple devices that need strong Wi-Fi signals. Skip this one if you're in a small apartment, as the coverage might be overkill for your needs. For the price, it offers excellent value with its features and performance. Now, if the setup concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, TP-Link Deco X55. Next, we have the TP-Link Deco X55 priced at $119.99. This one really caught my eye because it balances performance with affordability. If you want reliable Wi-Fi that covers your home without burning a hole in your wallet, give this one a shot. This means you can say goodbye to dead zones and enjoy smooth streaming and gaming. Plus, it can handle up to 150 devices at once, which is ideal if you have a busy household. The 3 gigabit Ethernet ports on each unit also allow for wired connections, ensuring that your gaming console or smart TV gets the best speeds possible. Here's why this matters. It's designed to support your whole family's online activities without interruption. However, some reviews noted that the range may not be as extensive as some higher-priced models. Here's the thing though, for most users, especially in medium-sized homes, the coverage is more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you have a very large house or specific needs for ultra-fast speeds. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more speed. Product number 3, TP-Link Deco 7 2-Pack. Now let's check out another version of the TP-Link Deco 7, but in a 2-pack for $157.67. This option really surprised me with its combination of speed and coverage. If you want high-performance Wi-Fi without overspending, this is worth considering. That means you get lightning-fast connections for streaming and gaming, just like before. Plus, the wired and wireless backhaul options provide flexibility in how you set it up around your home. Here's why this matters. You can adjust the system to fit your specific networking needs, whether you prefer wired or wireless connections. On the downside, there were a few complaints about the app not being as intuitive as some users hoped. But honestly, once you get used to it, it's straightforward to manage your network. This is perfect for you if you want quick setup and great performance without the highest price tag. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, as this is still a Wi-Fi 6 system. For the features it offers, the value is pretty impressive. Next up, let's take a look at the TP-Link Deco S4, which is a great pick for those who want a bit more coverage. Product number 4, TP-Link Deco S4. Moving on to the TP-Link Deco S4, priced at $109.99. This one's been getting a lot of buzz, and for good reason. If you want solid coverage without a ton of complicated setup, this one's a smart choice. With a coverage area of up to 5,500 square feet, the Deco S4 is designed to eliminate dead zones in your home. It operates at speeds up to 1,900 Mbps, which is decent for streaming and online gaming. Here's why this matters. You can connect multiple devices comfortably without worrying about lag. Plus, the easy app setup lets you get everything running within minutes, making it a great option for those who aren't tech-savvy. There was some feedback about the speed being less than expected for very high-demand users. But I'll be real with you, for standard streaming and browsing, this should work just fine for most households. This is perfect for you if you want something straightforward and reliable. Skip this one if you're a hardcore gamer needing the absolute fastest speeds. For the price and usability, you really can't beat it. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more smart home integration, let's check out the Amazon Eero 6. Product number 5, Amazon Eero 6. Lastly, we have the Amazon Eero 6, available for $199.99. This caught my eye because it integrates smart home capabilities seamlessly. If you want not just Wi-Fi but also smart features, this one's a solid pick. The Eero 6 covers up to 4,500 square feet and supports speeds up to 500 Mbps. Plus, its Zigbee Smart Home Hub function means you can control compatible devices with Alexa. Here's why this matters. If you're into smart home tech, this system simplifies everything with fewer devices needed. However, some users mentioned that the speed might not be enough for heavy-duty gaming or 4K streaming. Here's the thing though, if your primary use is browsing, streaming, and basic smart home functions, it works very well. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of good Wi-Fi and smart home integration. Skip this one if you're a heavy gamer who needs ultra-fast speeds. For everything it offers, it's a good value, especially if you're into smart home devices. So whether you're after high performance, ease of use, or smart home features, there's something here for you. To wrap things up, the TP-Link Deco 7 stands out for its speed and coverage, while the Deco X55 offers a great budget-friendly option. The TP-Link Deco 7 2-pack gives you flexibility in networking needs, and the Deco S4 is perfect for straightforward setups. Lastly, the Amazon Eero 6 shines with its smart home integration. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle best.